to the demonstration of the Smart Inventory and Procurement Management System or SIPMS. Uh, Let me log in the system. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Uh, Before we look at the data, let's discuss the UI layout. Our system is built on the consistent, intuitive frameworks. On the left, you see the sidebar navigation contain all 10 modules we will cover today. And at the top, the header identifies the current user and their specific role banner. This is run by a set control system where you are an admin, a manager, or clerk. The interface adapts to your permission and ensures that the sensitive functions are only available to authorized personnel. This layout is designed to reduce the learning curve for new staff, making navigation effortless. For example, if we log in with a manager's role, later, yes, it will have less space than the admin. Then, and if we log in as clerk, but okay, it's really limited to access here. You can see only 4 pages. Okay, back up to the admin. Uh, okay, so let's start where every manager begin their day is the dashboard. The dashboard serves as our operational nerve center. The KPI cards as a tools provide an immediate health check of the business. You can see the active product count, open purchase order, and confirm sale order. Here, most importantly, it displays the estimate stock value here, giving management an instant view of the capital tied up in inventory. And further down, we have our trend bar. By using time range selector, we can visual sale and procurement activity over last 40 days, 7 days, or 30 days. This helps in spotting demand pattern and seasonal fluctuation. And run down. We see the low stock highlight. It uses severity label to tell us exactly what needs to be reordered, while the stop selling highlight identify our most profitable assets. And this page turns complex data into actionable insight within seconds. And the insight on the dashboard are driven by our product catalog. And let's see how we manage those assets. The product page is the heart of our inventory. Here we manage every item in our catalog. The search and filter function allow users to find the specific SKU or name instantly, even in the database with thousands of records. And when we open the create product form from the system capture critical data point like SKU, barcode, and unit price, and a key function uh here like okay, it's fine. And we also include the pagination page to have better visual line and shorting to keep the interface clean. And for products that are no longer being sold, we use the active function like that. Okay, or activate. This preserves the historical transaction data while removing the item from the active sale list, ensuring the data integrity across the entire system lifecycle. And next is for supplier. Products are only useful if we have a reliable source to buy them from. And let's move to our supplier management. So supplier pays centralize our vendor relationship. Beyond just storing a name, this module handle vendor profiling. Sorry. We store contact person, email, and physical rest to streamline communication. The most important business function here is the payment term field, whether it is necessity or cost on delivery. Having this data integrated into the system allows the procurement team to make informed purchasing decisions. And using the search and sort feature, a manager can quickly find the vendor contact info to follow up on the late shipment, and the status toggle allows us to manage active partnership, ensuring that staff only play order with approved high quality vendor. And now that we have product and supplier, we need to define the physical space where our stock resides. The location page is what enables SIPMS to be multi-choice system. We define two primary location type is store and warehouse. For the warehouse for the book intake and the stores for retail distribution. It records track the physical arrest and operational status. The value here is the geographical precision. By defining this location, the system can track stock level independently for the each branch, and if a store is closed for the maintain the DRT function and so no stock in Mr. Sandia. And this model is the foundation for our internal logistics, allows the system to distinguish between the stock in the warehouse and the stock on the shelves. Okay. And to keep our vast network of product and location organized, we use logical grouping. This category space provides the structure for our inventory. By classifying items into groups like electronic or foods and beverage and many types, we enable more powerful reporting and filtering. The description function allows admins to clarify what belongs in each category, preventing confusion during the data entry. And like other module, we have CRUD operation like that. Okay. And the real benefits of category is reporting consistency because every product must be linked to a category. Management can later see which category is most profitable or which category has the most stock out. It's a simple tool that provides massive value for high-level business strategy. And with our master dataset, we can now ini- initiate our first core business process is the purchase order. The purchase order space manages our procurement lifecycle. When we create a new purchase order, we link a supplier to destination warehouse. I mean, and the line item management add line function allows us to add multiple products with specific quantity and cost. Continue. Okay. And one of the most powerful features in the entire system is the resale action. Uh, Once the physical goods arrive at the warehouse, a single click closes the purchase order and trigger the database procedure that automatically update the stock level at that location. This automation eliminates manual data entry error and ensures that the moment above is open, the items are available for sale in the system, and we also provide status filtering so buyer can focus only on the approved or pending shipment. Okay. And once the goods are received in the warehouse, they are ready for the customer. So let's look at the sales cycle. The sale order page handles the outflow of inventory. The most critical function here is the automatic stock validation. When a clerk creates new order, the system checks the on-hand quality. Okay, wait a minute. Example here. a quality, a quantity at that specific location, and if they try to sell more than what is available, you can see the system will have a notification that cannot exceed the mark value. This is a data integrity feature that prevent negative inventory, ensuring our digital record match physical reality. And user can use the view item function to see the order detail without navigating away. For orders that haven't been finalized, the cancel function here allows for the easy reversal of the transaction which automatically reverse the stock level. It is a fail-safe process designed for a high-speed retail environment. And sometimes demand is high in a store, but stock existing in a warehouse. This is the where internal logistics come in. The transfer pace facilitates the movement of the goods within the organization. This model requires source and a destination. Unlike skill transfer doesn't involve customer. It is an internal movement. When a transfer is processed, the system performs a dual stock update. Wait a minute. Okay, for example, it will subtracting from the source and adding to a destination in one atomic transaction. We have create new here. And this provides a complete internal audit trail. And if items go missing during transit, the transfer record tells exactly who moved the goods and when. And the quantity example. Okay, it's fine. And every transaction we have performed so far is captured and analyzed in our final module in a report. The report page is where raw data is transformed into intelligence. We have three special views. The first one is low stock report. This is a prioritized list of what to buy next. It's combined reorder level with current stock to tell Postman exactly what is missing. And the next one is stock per location. This provides a snapshot of our distribution. We can see if we have too much stock in one city and not enough in another. And the final is the top selling product. This report ranks item by revenue and quantity sold over 30 days. And Z reports use optimized SQL views, ensuring that even as the database grows to millions of rows, the function empower management to make data-driven decisions rather than relying on the guesswork. And finally, we must manage who is performing the action. Is a user base. Uh, the user base is the administrative heart of the SIPMS security. Here we manage account and assign roles like admin, manager, or clerk. It controls exactly which of the modules we've seen today are visible to each other. The most innovative function here is the login as capability. This allows us an admin to temporarily switch their view to that of another user. This is an essential tool for technical support and testing. If the clerk report an issue, the admin can see exactly what they see without needing their password. Password. Login as management. Manager. Okay. Let's see. We don't see the user page here. Okay, back to admin. And combined with the active and deactive action, this module ensures that access to our company inventory is always secure. Okay. If we log in as inactive user, it will have a notification that we not login. Okay. And this module ensures that access to our company is always secure. And in conclusion, The Smart Inventory Procurement Manager system is a robust end-to-end solution. From setting up data master to complete procurement, sale, and internal transfer, every function is designed to ensure accuracy and efficiency. By leveraging deep data integration and rule-based security, SIPMS provides a smart infrastructure that modern business needs to thrive. And thank you for your time. That is. Thank you.